Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good, healthy, and fine. Okay, class, tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday, and which day today? 21st of January 2021. What is the weather like today? Sunny day. Today is sunny day, and it's your maths period. Okay, class, let's start our day with numbers. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, class, today our topic is match the same numbers. Okay, class, today we will do a new activity. Okay, tell me what are in having my hands. Can you tell me what are having in my hands? Any guesses? Okay, let me tell. It's a wheat. What is this? It's a wheat. So what we're going to do with this? We are going to match the same numbers on it. Okay, class, and tell me which number is this? 12. Which number is this? 8. Which number is this? 14. Which number is this? 10. And which number is this? 13. And here is second line. 8, 10, 12, 13, and 14. And we will match the same numbers on it. So let's start. Which number is this? 12. And where is number 12 in second line? Here it is. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, class, are you getting? And tell me which number is this? Number 8. Okay, now we will match number 8 like this. Okay, and tell me which number is this? 14. And where is number 14 in second line? Here it is. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, and tell me which number is this? Number 10. And where is number 10 in second line? Here it is. So match them like this. Okay, class, and tell me which number is this? Number 13. And where is number 13? Here it is. Okay, now match them. Okay, must try this activity at your home. It's very interesting activity. Okay, class, come to the copy work. Okay, today is Thursday, 21st of January 2021, and topic is match the same numbers. We have two lines, one line, and this one is second line, and we will match it. Number 12, and where is number 12? Here it is. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, and which number is this? This is number 8. And where is number 8? Here it is. Okay, now match them. Go down like this. Okay, and tell me which number is this? 1 and 4, 14. And where is number 14 in second line? Let's find. Here it is. So now match them. Good. Okay, and tell me which number is this? 11. 1 and 1, 11. And where is number 11 in second line? Let's find. Here it is. So now match them. Good. Good job. Okay, and tell me which number is this? 1 and 0, 10. 1 and 0, 10. And where is number 10 in second line? Let's find number 10. Here it is. Now match them. Go up. Okay, class, and tell me which number is this? This is number 13. 1 and 3, 13. 1 and 3, 13. And where is number 13 in second line? Here it is. Okay, now match them like this. Okay, class, complete your work like this and also do coloring in butterflies and send me your feedback. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.